This is not the video that I was trying to upload today, but it is what it is.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What's up guys, Collina Racing here with another awesome video. In this video, I don't know if it's that awesome, but my car breaks down again. I think it's my fault. I have to check it out, but yeah, the steering wheel is really hard to turn. So I'm thinking that something is wrong with my power steering. When I changed the water pump on this car a couple weeks ago, if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna post it right here. Go check it out. So when I was changing the water pump and the thermostat on my car, I lose the sway bar, right? So when to have more space and more room to put my hands and take out the water pump, whatever. But when I put everything back together, I hang tight the sway bar. I mean, I a little harder than hang tight, but I didn't do it all the way. I just want to test my car and make sure it's not overheating before I put everything together the way it's supposed to be. That was my mistake because the car started running perfect and I started using it and I forgot to tighten down the sway bar. So now I lose 2 volts of the sway bar and the sway bar got a little bent, and every time I hit like a speed bump or something, it like move side by side. So when it moved, it pinched the power steering hoses. So now I got a leak of power steering and my steering wheel is hard and the sway bar is bent. So it's a whole mess now. I'm gonna show you. Alright, so there you have it. This bolt right here is missing, and I think the other one on the other side. But as you can see, everything is wet because of the power steering. But yeah, I have to fix that now before I keep using it. It pinched that hose right here. That's the one from the power steering. So yeah, as you can see, it literally has no power steering at all right now. I'm not able to use the car like that, so yeah, I have no car again. Freaking sucks. But yeah, I'm sorry for the short video. I wasn't planning to upload this. I was going to do another stuff on my car, but this happened, so I want to tell you guys anything that happened to my car so you can, you know, be ready if one day you want to buy one. That's not something that is going to happen. That's literally my fault because I forgot to adjust the bolts, but that's something to keep in mind all the time, you know. But yeah, when I fix it, I'm gonna make another video on how to fix it, so that's good. Now I got more content. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't done it already, hit that subscribe button over there. If you like this video, like it, and see you on the next video. Wow.